Hey, fashion icons, welcome back to another fashion guide. The bold, glossy latex asymmetrical skirt combined with a cropped blazer creates a striking and high impact outfit that is specifically designed for fashion show nights where creativity, confidence, and runway inspired styling are highly appreciated. The asymmetrical cut introduces movement and visual interest, while the glossy latex finish amplifies stage ready shine that naturally draws attention under even lighting. The cropped blazer play a crucial role in balancing the boldness of the skirt. It introduces structure and tailoring into the look while maintaining a modern and edgy. This combination of crop tailoring with dramatic skirt design reflects contemporary fashion trends that focus on experimentation and confident layering. For footwear, pointed heel or sculpted turtle toe are the most suitable choices. They enhance posture and complement the sharp line of both blazer and skirt. Since fashion show environments encourage bold expression, slightly experimental show design can also be incorporated as long as they maintain harmony with the overall outfit structure. Accessories can be slightly more expressive compared to office styling. Allowing statement earring, bold ring, or structured clutches to become part of the visual identity. However, it is still important to avoid excessive layering, as the symmetrical skirt itself already provides strong visual movement and doesn't require heavy decoration. Hairstyling can be more editorial in nature, such as silk back bun, high ponytail, or sculpted wave which align with runway inspired aesthetics. Makeup can also be more defined, focusing on bold eyeliner, contoured cheeks, or glossy lips to match the reflective texture of these latex fabric. Color coordination is the in the outfit often work best with monochrome or high contrast palettes such as black and white or deep jewel tone which enhance the asymmetry and make the salute more visually powerful under runway lighting condition. So, to be concluded, the bold glossy latex asymmetrical skirt with crop blazer outfit represent fearless fashion expression, combining structure and drama in a way that highlight confidence, creativity, and runway level styling impact. Thanks a lot for enjoying this video with me. We will meet soon in another fashion guide. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Keep smiling, keep supporting. Please subscribe to my channel. This is your love for us, guys, and this is only what I want. Okay, bye.